You're standing in front of the Idaho State Capitol, the home of Idaho's government and a monument to a state still defining itself. Capitol began its journey here after Louis Tunn, shuttling the territorial legislature down in 1864. But Idaho didn't officially earn that lone 43rd star on the American flag until July 3rd, 1890, just in time for Independence Day. This building sprang to life in 1905, 15 years after that flag change moment. Over 15 years of sweat, stone, and ambition, it rose, finally completed in 1920. Behind that sandstone facade lies more history than most towns have in a century. Look closely. The architects Tortellot and Hummel weren't just building a seat of government. They wanted to recreate the feel of ancient Rome and Greece. They shipped in marble from 4 corners of the world, red from Georgia, grey from Alaska, green from Vermont, and black from Italy. And the sandstone? Carved from table rock right here in Ada County. It cost $2 million at the time. That's the equivalent of tens of millions today, built to stand, and it has. Stand under the dome. The Capitol rises 208 feet tall, covering over 50,000 square feet of marble carved detail. There are 219 pillars, Doric, Corinthian, Ionic, built from marble dust, plaster, and scagliola, that ornate Italian faux marble that took 15 exacting steps just to mix. Each column a silent sentinel, each crack and swirl a reminder of artisanal patience. Look down at the floor's compass rose. The sundial embedded in it glows with minerals mined from across Idaho, your North Star, made from the earth beneath your feet. Around the rotunda, 13 big stars mark the original colonies, and 43 smaller ones signify Idaho's spot in the Union. Nearby, there's a statue called Patriot, paying homage to the miners who carved out this land, men and women who risked everything in Idaho's early days. On the second floor's west wing, the Lieutenant Governor's office stands, opposite the governor, in symmetry. This floor once housed the state Supreme Court until new quarters were built in 1970. Climb to the third floor, Senate on the west, House on the east. These chambers were remodeled in 1968, updated, yes, but their spirit remains. The old Supreme Court room still sees action. Joint Finance and Appropriations Committee hears its business there. The corridors, Idaho history in every brushstroke. But even monuments age, and by the late 90s, this capital had lost its luster. A master plan in 1998 drew a line, renew this building or risk losing its soul. They restored windows, repaired marble floors and plaster, reinvigorated heavy wood doors and aging hardware. Smoked and fire systems got upgraded, disabled access added, lighting improved. But they didn't just modernize, they resurrected. Scagliola restoration alone was a labor of love, a 15-step Italian technique, recreating that Capitol glow.